In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a modern app payment system in just 5 minutes. Now, before we dive into the specifics, it's important to understand that having a sleek and efficient payment system can make a world of difference in user experience and business efficiency. So let's jump right in. The first step on our journey to creating a modern app payment system is to open your web browser and navigate to Figma, which is a collaborative interface design tool. Figma is highly regarded for its versatility and ease of use, providing everything you need to design stunning interfaces collaboratively. Once you've reached Figma's homepage, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, which is a swift process enabling you to take full advantage of their resources and tools for free. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, or opt to use a single sign-on method if you prefer a quicker way to log in. After logging in, you're greeted by the home screen. From here, your next move is to click on Explore Community. This section of Figma is a goldmine of shared resources, designs, and templates created by users just like you. It's a thriving hub of creativity and collaboration, offering a plethora of options just at your fingertips. Now, with your curiosity piqued and creative juices flowing, it's time to channel that energy by utilizing the search feature. In the search bar, you'll want to type in payment flow process. This search will yield numerous results tailored to various aspects and stages of payment systems, allowing you to browse through a selection of user-generated templates and flowcharts designed to streamline payment processes. Browse the results and select a template that catches your fancy or suits the needs of your project. Templates are extremely handy as they provide a great foundation to build upon, saving you time and helping you understand the various phases and elements of an effective payment system design. Whether it's the clean layout, efficiency-centric design, or unique interface elements, you have the freedom to choose and modify these templates as per your creative vision or practical requirements. With this knowledge and these tools at your disposal, you're well equipped to create a smooth, efficient, and modern app payment system that enhances user experience and aligns with your brand's ethos. Remember, the key to a successful payment system lies in both functionality and aesthetics, ensuring user-friendly navigation while not compromising on visual appeal. I hope you found this guide useful, and if you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials and tips. Happy designing!